AirPods are compact, portable, and easy to misplace. We recommend you add your AirPods to Apple's Find My network so you can locate them with another device. Here's how. Tap to open Settings from your home screen, then tap your name. Select Find My from the Settings menu, then tap Find My iPhone. Toggle the Find My switch to the On position. To make sure that you can find your devices even if they're powered off or disconnected, turn on Find My network. To have the location of your device sent to Apple when the battery is low, turn on Send Last Location. Return to the Settings menu, then tap Bluetooth. Make sure the Bluetooth toggle is in the On position, then pair your AirPods with your Apple device. To do this, bring your AirPods near your iPhone and open the case with your AirPods still inside. Tap Connect and follow any on-screen instructions that appear. Your AirPods will now appear in the list of Bluetooth devices. Tap the More Info button next to your device in the list. Scroll down and make sure that the Find My toggle is turned on. If you don't see the toggle, you may see a button that says Show and Find My. This means your AirPods have automatically been set up with Find My. Tap the button to open the Find My app and confirm you can locate your AirPods. Please see the text version of this tutorial for more details, and remember to follow or subscribe to iClarified for more Apple news, videos, and tutorials.